How to gift Crumbl Cookies online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to gift Crumbl Cookies online using their website. It's fast and easy. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step 1, that is to go to Crumbl website. So here, start by opening your browser and go to crumblcookies.com. And here, this is where you can order cookie deliveries or send gift directly. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to choose gift option. So here, once you're inside the website, at the top, just click on gift cards or scroll to select send a gift and you'll see two options. That is send a gift card or send actual cookies. And now, with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is sending a cookie delivery. So, here, if you're sending cookie, just type in a recipient address and choose cookie box size, select the week's flavors, and schedule a delivery date. And here, you can also include a personalized messages as well. And with that, moving forward to the another step, that is to sending a gift card. So here for a digital gift card, you can just pick the design amount and enter the recipient email and add messages. And here you can even schedule the gift to arrive later. And now, with that, moving forward to the last step, that is to check out. So, here, once everything is ready, you need to enter your payment details. And here, once you have entered your payment details, you just need to review your order and just click on place order. And that's it. That's how you can gift crumble cookies online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.